they can restart. I think it's like a long one. So you can long one. So my new camera is going to make videos. So just notice it. That's what I just took a video of that. I don't need to go to the desk. Those are done. Take. One take.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying to get the power back on. Here.
Yeah, should be back for later.
Stuck in so long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back. It's a code, and I'm gonna get out. As soon as you get on up here. To follow you through the fence. This way.
Is that it, guys? You guys gotta stop trapping me, because I keep killing you guys and keep my rent every time. Okay, fine, we'll stop. No, we ain't stopping. I'll be back, buddy. I'm not letting you stop on this one. What if alright, yeah, whatever. But yeah. Yes, guys, I know. Yet again, these three idiots.
Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
You need to pay me.
Not again. How many times are you guys gonna do this? Dude, Colton, you think all the other blocks, right? Well, this will be the last and final time you have a chance. It's too easy. I've never made them hard. I always escape. Oh my god, bro. This is just gonna be another easy dub. Dude, trust me, you make this up super easy. You're not escaping this ever. So you know what, Colton? I don't know how you're gonna get out of this one. Like, there's no way you can cheat your way out of this.
Yeah, that's just good, I guess. Nice, yeah. It's YouTube
It's so...
What is that? Why did they do food there?
Very
This is your prime if
Mommy heard that
You don't even know.
Mommy was
I
going
can
to
make your hands clap.
I gotta use it.
I like this already, dog. You guys
Instead,
are awesome.
why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. You're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules.
Okay, everybody do
Tear
something.
you apart and your kisses while you're still alive.
So yeah, we're taking back to the place.
Friends don't.
Guys, even
Hi, kids. Welcome to the game station. I'm Stella, and we've got 3 super duper fun games to play. These little tests show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. We've got legs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Oh wait, guys! Oh my gosh, I'm dumb. I just realized something. Before they tracked me down, I was smart. I have this in my inventory. Oh my gosh, wait, how can I use this though? How am I floating though? That's
I'm gonna do that. So I thought you could doing this.
the gumdrop on this, and then we're gonna jump. Bro, and my little brother is just staring at me. LOL, you're not doing Alright.
What's gonna push it right here?
I'm so excited. Excited for me to escape? Yeah. Bro, they're all 3 staring at me.
Holy crap.
Alright, all eyes on me. We gotta do this fast. Okay, here we go. Okay, boom, okay, and boom, oh!
Okay, so I can cross like this. Oh, it's false. I'm gonna try every complicated. Oh, they'll finish the But what is Why did they make us do this? I have to shoot those out.
Does so much damage. Oh, I'm out. Oh my gosh, I'm so weak. I have 31 HP. Okay, hey, dude. Get him. Oh, yeah, boy. I got balloons. Wow, we have balloons. Wait, back at base, guys. Okay, listen, guys. We have to gear up. Let's go get iron armor. Everybody follow me, bro. Follow me. Oh, master, baby. Yeah, come on.
Oh,
And then, guys, everybody get it. Everybody get it. What did Chex get? No way, bro. Are you serious? Are you serious? Chex, come back, Chex. Chex, no, I take it up. No. Chex. Give it to me. Master. Put him, bro. Go, master. Come here. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Guys, go on the map. If you don't get in the helicopter, if you don't... Oh my god, this is so awesome. I died. Chex died. Oh my gosh, you idiots. You can't go on top of the helicopter. Leave me alone, leave me alone. Let's go, boys, let's go. Hey, how do you do that? Bro, grab it like his OP and look at toothpaste, bro. Don't masturbate me. Oh, man, I'm literally... Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, checks. Are you spectating? Yes, bro, I'm spectating. Look what I'm about to get, checks. Come on, give me something good. You are not getting anything, bro. You are not getting anything. What's up, bro? What's up? Give it to me. Come on, bro. Feed it to me. Yeah, guys. Oh my goodness, bro.
Well, there was a problem. That area can pass. Now, probably in chapter 1, Alice. Sarah McCown. Okay. I'm probably green, maybe. So, guys, so I need to get 100 trophies percentage because I left one at the chest. And, I think. And I always think. How is a good thing? Maybe the middle one is the best. Middle is the best better than this one. And I choose this one. It was terrible. Chapter 3. Terrible. So let's wait for the middle. Yes, sir. Middle guys, you thought I was wrong. At the corner.
I know when your birthday is. June 28th.
Welcome to musical memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works. A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all. Good luck.
Isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Buzzo must be. It's
right now, but you're lucky I don't have it. I mean, if I'm being honest, folks, I don't even know how you're floating there. Bro, I put him on the landline. He's
been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat.
Yellow. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Yellow.
2.
Blue.
Blue.
Red. 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 Green.
Blue. Red. Green. Blue.
Red. Red. Green. Green. Red. Red. Green. Green. Violet. Round 3. White. White. Yellow. White. Yellow. White. White. Yellow. White. 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 Yellow. White. 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 Yellow. White. 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 Orange. Round 4. Blue. Blue. J.
J.
Blue. J. Heart. Blue. J. Heart. Question mark.
Blue. J. Question.
Blue. J. Heart. Question mark.
Blue. J. One.
Blue. J. Heart. Question mark. Smiley face.
Blue. Blue. J.
Round 5. Blue. Question mark. Bergen J. Turquoise. Yellow. Massacre. Green. Quail pie. White. Rebecca. Blue. Quail pie. Melody. Smooth. Smiley face. Morgan. Question mark. Massacre. Pie. Menda. Smiley face. Violet. Red. G. Menda. Massacre. Question mark.
Oh, it broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mama has decided to give you part of the code for the train.
Bye bye. Thanks, Mom. Oh, your orange tape. Okay, this is the thing.
Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay, though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
Want to hear a dino joke? Click once for the question. Click again for the punchline. What do you call a dino with one eye? Do you think he saw us?
Nigga, what?
What do you call a dinosaur who's a noisy sleeper?
I don't know.
A Tyrannosaurus!
Oh, I don't know.
What do you call the scariest dinosaur?
You, because you're saying that. I think. T-Rex, yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you're scared. I'm gonna get nightmares tonight. Why did I put it? A Tyrannosaurus. Like this thing moves, you know. I don't know to do all of this again. So that's all I do. So you. One of the bunny trophy. Today is heavy, we never stop. I got it. And you're a root. And no one does it. So that's See you later. Now I feel well.
Whoa, you did fantastic. Thank you for permission to be this smart. Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told you that herself. Our next game is Waggo Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
I said, teacher, you said party. Teacher, something party. I said, you said party. I feel teacher party. Fantastic. I said, Pedro, you said party. Teacher. I said teacher, you said body, teacher, body. I said teacher, you said body, teacher, body. Fantastic.
Get out of here, bro. I'm done with Mike. Mike is out now. Just like you said. Dude, I just do it every day, bro. You don't want your class.
Fantastic. I said
Welcome
teacher, you
to
said body,
Parkway.
teacher.
This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities. A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes.
18.
An adorable Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of these holes. If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack. That's all. Good luck.
I got to look at myself. I say teacher, you said body, teacher, body. Fantastic. I said teacher, you said body. Look at this trophy. Look at that to me. So her body.
If there's anyone here that I trust the least, it's Toothpaste. Alright. He's too relaxed.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them, so they could be pulled back.
Boy, wait, this is 3?
Have fun.
Like, I'm gonna have fun of my life. I can look at them like, Who's pushing me? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So give right up.
Mommy has another hint for you. Only one game left to play. Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever.
Let's see what's the article, guys.
Today, I'm gonna be building a secret room.
It's never too late to change your mind.